This is for those dinosaur-loving toddlers out there. Check it out. You excited?
Yeah.
My son Levi just turned 3, and he got this wonderful box for his birthday. And what I love is it's easy to clean up. A volcano?
And that.
Wow! The sensory bin has dinosaurs. It has rocks. What?
It has volcanoes.
A volcano?
Yeah, that's a volcano.
Yeah.
It has these. It has that. What is this?
And
That
some
is
rocks.
And that is me. I open that for mommy.
You open the. All right, watch your fingers. Just look at how excited he is to put the sand in this bin and get started. Good job.
Wow.
All right. Do you want to put your dinosaurs in? We started by adding the dinosaurs to the box. Then we added some rocks, the egg, and we used the magnifying glass and the sifter and also the paintbrush to find the dinosaurs.
Why?
You can put it in there because you're going to dust stuff off. This was the perfect birthday gift because honestly, I love teaching my son stuff and he can use his imagination as much as he wants. And on top of it, everything is stored in this unique bin. Just look at the stuff they can do. It's perfect for sensory development, imaginative play, and fine motor skills. Let me know what you think.